Hey there. Today I just want to share a quick intro into the Semrush page improve function, and many people may not have heard of this yet. It's actually a really cool tool. What it is a JavaScript code snippet that you put in the head of your document, and then that's the last time you need any programmer or technical involvement whatsoever. It opens up a utility that allows you to make lots of modifications and edits to the page. So I'm just going to jump right in and show you guys it here. So first off, you got to install the page improve plugin. Here it is. And this immediately opens up this interface here. You can see the title tag, meta description, canonical. So you can edit these things and then push changes. It also lets you select elements on the page. So here we have an element selected. Here we have an H2 element selected. If we want to give an image alt attribute a name, we can. If I scroll down here, look at this one, anchor, there you go, alt text, ironically, we're looking at alt text. So this lets you interact with the individual elements and make modifications to them. And what this does is, in fact, I'm just going to give an example of an actual minor test here. Let's do a meta tag. So I might just change, in fact I already did it, this was my test. I appended SEO onto the end of this meta tag to see whether it got cached in Google, and it does. So what happens is within the first 5 seconds of page render, all of the changes get loaded, and that's the threshold that Google needs to see that and cache the changes. So even though you're not making any server-side changes, and this all happens client-side through JavaScript, it gets cached. This is what Google sees. So it's really good that it works this way, and it means that you can have a non-technical, non-dev person come and make your SEO changes. I think this opens up a lot of additional productivity for SEOs. I think it's a fantastic tool, and let me just give another example here. I'm just going to make a slight tweak to the meta description. You can see that I now have a change which gets published to draft. You can see that it was the meta description tag. So I'm going to continue to publishing, and just note what you did. Added jargon on the end of the meta description, and you publish a change, and then that gets updated and pushed to the site, and now you've updated a meta description tag without having to go into a back end, without having any specific credentials other than your Semrush account credentials. And it has this nice change history here. You can actually output the change history, use it for reporting, or you can use it for devs in the future if you want to know what was done. You can have multiple domains to this. All that needs to be done is that one piece of JavaScript added to the head of the document, and then you've got page improve, and I think it's an excellent tool from Semrush, and I encourage you to have a look at it. Thank you.